how to adjust exposure and Snapseed. So first, just simply open up your Snapseed app, then select the photo that you want. So by clicking on the plus icon here on the bottom, then select the photo that you want to use. So I already have one right here, so I'm just going to select it. Now what you want to do now is go to the tools section here at the bottom right, then click on the brush option under the retouch and transform section. So tap on that, and here you will see the option of exposure. So whenever you brush a certain part of your image, it will change the exposure. And on the bottom, you will see the intensity of what you want to set. So you could go with this one. So if it's negative, of course, it will be darker, just like that, as you can see. And if you want it to be higher or brighter, just simply make the number higher right here. So as you can see, just like that. So this is how you basically adjust the exposure of your image manually. Or let's say you want just a certain part to be changed, you can do this. So let's say I want to darken the sky a little. So I'm just going to swipe or brush the sky part on my picture or my image, just like so. So you could adjust this to your liking. And once you're done, just simply click on the check mark icon here on the bottom right. And that is how you basically adjust exposure and Snapseed.